Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing another swatch and talk through of one random polish from my nail polish collection. And for today it is time for a beautiful red kind of tone because it is December, the holiday season has started and I can't wait to share my swatch with you. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as usual, grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. And also, what are you applying or what are you wearing on your nails right now? I'm always really curious to hear about that in the comment section down below. But let's get into the application. You want to start off with clean nails, so just make sure there isn't any nail polish left on there. Or if you are starting off with like not polished nails, just go over your nails with a little bit of acetone or rubbing alcohol or even nail polish remover that doesn't contain any acetone to remove any dust or oils or anything like that from the nail plate. If you do so, your nail polish actually lasts longer and it prevents tip wear, chipping, lifting and so on. But yeah, I'm just going in with a base. I think this one is one I got from Germany a little over a year ago. This one is from the Trended Up line. I really like it. It gives a very nice soft look to the nails, so if you are only looking into giving your nails a little bit of extra attention instead of doing a full-on colored manicure, you can just slap this one on and top it off with a top coat and you're good to go as well. It is a really lovely base coat. I think it was less than €2, like 1.79 or something. Yeah, I did get it in Germany when I was there for like a week or so, visiting my all-time best friend who actually lives there now. So yeah, I don't have like easy access to this brand, but I think you can get them online, or if you're living close to the border, you can definitely just hop over and get them there. But for today's color, as I mentioned, it is going to be a red one. This one is called Soko. It is by Zoya. I'm not quite sure from which collection this one exactly is, but it is a really nice true red color. The color might look a little different on camera. That is just because I use really bright LED lights to record my videos and my camera just can't handle bright colors like this. But it pretty much is a true red color, a little bit of like a neutral red, I'd say. I don't feel like it is a super like yellowy undertone or a super bluish undertone. I just feel like it's right in the middle, which makes it a super easy color to wear because not everyone can pull off a very like warm undertoned red, or others can't really pull off a cool toned like red. So this one is right in that sweet spot, which I feel like a lot of different people with a lot of different skin tones can rock this one. But yeah, I'm just going to apply 2 coats of that, and with the first coat always remind yourself to cap off the edge of your nail if you have longer natural nails like I do. That also gives like some extra help to prevent any chipping or tip wear or stuff like that, you know, so your manicure actually lasts a full week at least. I always get a ton of questions on how long does your manicure last after you have applied it like shown in the videos. It pretty much depends on which base, top coat and polish that I'm using. I'm not really the type of person who always needs to use the same brand when it comes to base, color and top coat. I tend to mix it up a lot. As you can see in most of my videos, I just use different brands for every single step. But it definitely makes a big difference what kind of base and of course top coat you're using, whether or not your manicure will stay put for a longer period of time. So yeah, it can depend on what I'm using, but I just have a couple of really good ones that I just keep on going back to, just like the one I used here as a base, which is one by Trended Up. It is super affordable, they're vegan, they're cruelty free, and it just really does a good job from not only making sure my manicure lasts a long time, but also making sure that my natural nails won't get stained or discolored, especially when working with red colors like this. Those are very pigmented, so yeah, little heads up, use a good base coat if you're going to wear a color like this, because I can guarantee you it will stain the crap out of your nails. Personally, for me, it doesn't really make a big difference at the moment, because I am wearing a little layer of gel base coat and top coat to strengthen my nails during like my very manual job, but also during packing up and moving, which I am doing at the moment. Now this video is online, so yeah, I don't have a lot of staining issues as we speak, because I am wearing a little layer of gel base coat and top coat. But yeah, if you're not doing that, make sure to use a good base. But back to this color, because isn't this one just super festive? Like, one thing that I am kind of disappointed about when it comes to moving and packing up and stuff like that is that I won't be able to really set up my Christmas tree, decorate the house and stuff like that, because like we're planning on moving like all of our stuff after renovating the house for 3 weeks. We're planning on moving in between like Christmas and New Year's, so I don't think I will be able to set up any lighting or Christmas decorations or any festive stuff around the house that I usually do every single year. I tend to start like mid-November already, but this year it's just not happening, and I'm a little sad about it because I just love to do that so much. But yeah, you know, I'm getting like a new home in return, so I'm just gonna skip Christmas for 1 year, even though it breaks my heart. I am willing to do so. But yeah, instead I'm just going to apply a ton of festive nail polishes to my nails to have some festivities going on, you know. But yeah, back to the manicure, because once your colored coats are completely dry, you want to go in with your top coat, and I'm just using a random one by H&M. This one is from the ASAP Quick Dry Nail Polish collection, so it actually does dry really fast, but it also makes sure that your nail polish coat underneath will dry a little faster too. So one thing that I would highly recommend if you don't want to wait a long time before your nail polish is completely dry and you can continue your daily manners, just slap on a quick dry one, and this one is actually pretty decent. It is, I think it is cruelty free, but I'm not quite sure. But they are quite affordable, and of course they are safe to use as well. The last tip that I want to give, if you're going to use a highly pigmented color like this beautiful red Zoya color that we just applied, there might be some color or like pigment rubbing off onto the brush of your top coat, and I will show you that in a little bit. Just be sure to remove that before putting it back into the bottle. I just tend to use like a kitchen towel or something like that and just quickly rub it off. It's really easy to do so, but if you forget to do that, your top coat in the bottle itself will become muddy and discolored, and that's not what you want to happen, you know? But yeah, this was the entire new nail polish of the week video already. Definitely let me know what you think about this color. Is it a color that you love to wear, or are you maybe a little bit hesitant because it is this pigmented and it will definitely stain your nails if you're not using a good base? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, what are you wearing on your nails right now? I'm really curious to hear about that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.